Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Seint beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. So I'm showing you guys a video of how I do my makeup in the car. So we are on a road trip from Texas to Florida. If you've ever driven that far, you know it is crazy, chaotic. I have my puppy on my lap. Her name is Lulu. She is a Yorkie Poo. And then I have Frankie in the middle. He is a French Bulldog. So there's a lot of things going on in this video, trying to give my husband direction, making sure that he's staying the course. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to do your makeup in the car using the Seint One Compact system. I literally have everything that I need in this one compact. And even though you could do your makeup in the car with regular traditional liquid foundation or other products, it's not going to be as easy. And you saw that makeup bag, that is literally everything for my whole face, including my skincare. Before using Seint, I used to have like 2 or 3 makeup bags that I would have to take with me that had all my foundation products and my brushes and everything, you know, my different contours and my bronzers, and then I needed a different brush for everything. And then my skincare, I just had all these different bags. And what I love about Seint is I'm able to condense it all in one bag, have everything that I need from my morning routine, my PM routine, and my full face of makeup all in one bag. Takes up a heck of a lot less space, and I'm able to do my makeup flawlessly in the car. You wouldn't even know that I did my makeup in the car because it's just so easy to apply. And with liquid foundation, I would have to worry about getting it on all over the place, getting it on my clothes. And if you've ever had liquid foundation on your clothes, you know how difficult it is to get off. And it's not something that I can get off while I'm doing a 16-hour road trip. So, oh, I'm yelling at my husband right here because he drives like a crazy man. And, you know, comment below if you have a husband that drives crazy. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my main highlight shade. This is basically my foundation color. You have a main highlight and then you have a brightening. There's not really concealer in this system, but I'm just using my main highlight shade to even out my skin tone, and I'm using my one brush. So this is the buff brush. This is going to give me kind of a more full coverage look. You can achieve full coverage by applying more product, or you can use or get full coverage by using different brushes. So I did a whole video about full coverage versus natural coverage, and I'll leave that down below. So next I'm going in and I can't tell if I'm bronzing or I think I'm bronzing in this. It was a very, very quick kind of thing. No, actually I'm contouring because I'm trying to chisel out those cheekbones. So again, just using one brush, just kind of building out and kind of creating a little bit more dimension so that it's more of a 3D effect, and that's why we call it 3D foundation, and less of like that flat kind of look. And again, just applying it. You can see here, looking pretty good. So I'm gonna bring it down onto my neck just to make sure that it's all buffed out and just really kind of press into my skin. Normally I take a sponge and I press the foundation product into my skin, but because I'm just kind of quickly doing this, I'm doing a little bit more stippling with my brush than I normally do. And I'm going back in with my under eye circles. This trip really was something. So my under eye circles were a little bit more prominent than they normally are. So then I'm going in and I am bronzing and just adding a little bit of warmth to my face. No, am I bronzing? I can't even tell. The lighting in here is horrible. No, I'm applying cheek color, adding some flush to those cheeks. So I think that is it. Nope, I've got more to do. We're grabbing the bag again, and I think now, I'm gonna take out my sponge. So I'm taking out my sponge and I'm just making sure that everything is pressed into my skin, that there's no brush lines, that it's kind of all airbrush, and I'm kind of stippling it. Now, I love to use this brush or this sponge when it's dry. I feel like it applies the product better, and I even take it and just take a dry sponge and I'm dipping it a little bit more into my main highlight, and that way I can pack it onto my nose. That's where I'm the reddest, so that's what I was doing. So that's it. Full coverage, flawless complexion in the car. Easy peasy.